Hey folks, FGFRC. Out here at the Avon Park Field. Today my little challenge is, number one, I want to be able to see the plane on the camera because Mama had to work, so I'm having to film my cell phone. But our runway is 210 feet long, and what I'm wanting to do is kind of like fly this plane within the confines of the runway out of just a little bit, kind of like the same amount of area space you'd have in a baseball diamond with a corresponding outfield, just to show you could take this plane to a small park and fly it. Wind is out of the west, kinda, so really not an issue. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Motor's on. And this is not the new version 2, this is the version 1, but it's their latest release of the version 1, but it's the same plane that they just came out with. This has the Reflex 2 in it gyro, not the Reflex 3. But it's still a great flying, solid little plane. People had a lot of hard time, I can't get it off the deck and everything. I put a 2200 in, far forward as I can get it, and don't have a bit of problem with it. All right, see if we can't fly it. Fly it in the optimized mode, which is their version, the Reflex version of AS3X. Just trying to fly it right here close by.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
It's just a nice little trainer, very predictable. Tell you what we're going to do.
Manual mode.
Now it's in manual mode. It has no gyro at all right now. I turned that off. So the gyro is now off. All right. Now we'll put it in self-level.
Stabilized mode.
All right, now it's in self-level. This is in beginner mode, so I can't turn it over. Run a 2200 Lyperior. Now I'm going to have to take it out a ways to get it turned around because my bank and elevation limit are limited.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Are limited by the stability mode. Into the wind, in the beginner self-level mode. There. All right.
Manual mode.
Back to manual mode now. Obviously, because I wouldn't be able to turn her upside down otherwise. All right.
Optimized mode.
Now back to their version of AS3X, which is wind mitigation. There. Just trying to keep her in close and tight so you can see her on the camera. And in the same, like I say, the same kind of square footage area of a baseball diamond. Just to show you that you could take us down to your local park, you know, obeying your whatever laws you have in your area. Get her turned around. Let's do a touch and go this next time. Now people ask me all the time, why do they put the white stripes in the middle of the runway? And that is, if you are a real pilot, that gives you orientation, but as an RC pilot, that gives you your targeting. You want to try to land as close to the middle of the field of the runway as you can. And that gives you something to line your plane up with. Try to do a little touch and go here. There we go.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
A little bit of a knife edge here. Don't have flaps to slow myself down with. All right.
Manual mode.
Take her to manual mode, and let's land her in manual mode. And I just realized I don't have my battery checker on me. All right. All right, we're going to take off with the wind in manual mode. Oh, getting too far away. All right. Go back to
Optimized mode.
optimized mode.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Oh, never even touched. Never even touched. See if we can do that again. Actually do a wheelie without touching the nose gear. Up, no. It may be a beginner plane, but she's got plenty of power for her size. Better than a 1-for-1 ratio. At least I believe, I don't know. All right. All right. Well, folks, there you go. I think I have proved my point that you can more than fly this little plane in a small confined area. And she's just a good, solid little plane. There'll be a link in the description of the plane. We'll give you all the info about the plane. It is an affiliate link. Yes, it is. And just let you know. But it's just a good, solid plane. Buy yourself a 2200, slap it all the way forward, and have some fun. Great flying plane. Thank you for watching. God is good. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and the Ranger 1200 millimeters, 1220. Bye-bye.